Hello. In this video, we will learn about getting help in Excel.
There are several ways to get help in Excel. For example, one way is you can keep your mouse pointer above any of the commands like this. You will get what is called a screen tip. So here, for example, this is the font color. This will change the font color of your text. This is where you can make your text bold. You can make your text italics. Here you can increase decimal. Here it says you can decrease decimal points. On some screen tips, you also have something called Tell Me More, which takes you to the help page. This will take you to the Excel help files. There's a shortcut key for getting into the help files, that is the F1 key. If you press F1 key, straight away you go into the help files, and from here you can search what you want. In the ribbon also there's a help tab, so this is also a place where you can get help. You can get into the help files from here. So here again you have other options to contact support, give feedback to Microsoft, show training files, videos. Anything new will appear here. You can get into the community, the Excel blog, and get help on the Excel app. At the top again, this is the search bar, and the shortcut key is Alt QS is shown there. And from here you can search for basically any functionality, any functions, any tools in Excel. You can get help from here. You can also chat with Copilot. You can also get help by clicking on the down arrow and then the question mark like this. This will take you to the web page help.
Thanks for watching.